Number one. A book. An apple. The golden fish. A lemon. Great! We've learned all the objects. Let's put objects back in their places. An apple. A book. A lemon. The golden fish. Good job! All the objects are in their places.
In the fields, the blue tractor on big wheels. In its trailer, someone singing very merry song. You can guess and win. Come on, let's begin. Guess who, guess who, guess who, guess who's singing merry song?
Let's pick a suitable item. Correct. Right. Well done. Not correct. Good job. All the objects are in their places. Let's help the tractor choose the right way. Correct. Perfect. The blue tractor has reached its objective. Let's meet number two. Purchase a subscription to study all the topics. Choose a topic and let's study it. Let's now look at a lion, a fox, a rabbit, a tiger. Great! We've learned all the objects. Let's put animals back in their place. A tiger, a fox, a lion, a rabbit. Good job! All the objects are in their places.
In the fields, the blue tractor on big wheels. In its trailer, someone singing very merry song. You can guess and win. Come on, let's begin. Guess who, guess who, guess who, guess who's singing merry song?
With your finger, draw a circle on the screen. A lion. A fox. A rabbit. A tiger. Well done! You colored all the objects. Let's find all the hidden objects. A fox. A lion. A rabbit. A tiger. Awesome! You found all the